As you can see right now, it says earn easy cash online by performing the simplest tasks. So what you need to do on this platform is to do some simple social media tasks and get paid for it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this platform. But before I go over now to show you everything you need to know about this platform, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Samuel, and on this channel I am passionate about helping you on the internet space by showing you several ways to make money online. So if this is what interests you, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. And also do well to like this video as you are watching. So scroll downward right now and you are going to see the steps you need to take to actually make money on this platform. So right now you can see here it says create an account. So the most interesting part of this website is that you are not going to be paying any registration fee to actually create an account on this website. It is totally free, totally free. So create an account. The next thing is link your social media account, and the next one is perform task, while the last one is withdraw your earning to your local bank account. So these are the steps you need to take to actually start making money on this platform. So scroll up right now and click on the start earning button, as you can see on the screen right now. Okay, so click on the start earning button and it will take you to where you could basically create an account for yourself. So to create an account for yourself, all you need to do is input your email right now, your name, your state, gender, age, password, and confirm your password and click on register to actually create your account for yourself. And guys, make sure you input the password you could basically remember. Okay, so once you click on the register button right now, you are going to be taken to your dashboard and you are going to be having a 0 naira on the account balance and the pending balance. So what you have to do to actually accumulate enough money on this platform is to actually start doing some simple social media tasks. So to start doing some simple social media tasks, what you have to do is to come over to this drop down arrow at the top right corner of your home page right now. So just click on that drop down arrow and you are going to be adding your social media account on this platform to actually start making money on this platform. So to add your social media account, just click on social media account, as you can see on the screen right now. So click on the social media account and you are going to be taken to another interface where you could basically add your social media account. So to add your social media account, just click on the drop down arrow right now and you are going to be seeing the social media account to actually add on this platform. As you can see right now, you have Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Threads, and WhatsApp. So let's say you want to add TikTok right now. So you just basically have to tap on TikTok. So once you tap on TikTok, you are gonna input your TikTok username on this platform. So once you input the TikTok username on this platform, you are gonna click on save, and once you click on save, the TikTok account is gonna save on this platform. So you can basically earn by completing TikTok task on this platform right now. So to actually add other social media account, just do the same step and follow the same step to actually add other social media accounts. So to start performing tasks on this platform, what you have to do is to come over to this menu that talks about task right now. So you need to tap on it. So once you tap on it, you are going to be taken to another interface where you can basically complete some micro tasks and earn from it. As you can see on the screen right now, comment on video, that is YouTube task, Facebook, follow Facebook profile, Instagram, TikTok task, and so many other tasks on this platform. So to actually check on other tasks, you have to come downward and click on this forward arrow right now, and as you can see, we have one of 24 pages. So once you click on that forward arrow, you are going to be taken to the second page until you reach the last page. So right now, let's say I want to perform this task right now. What I have to do is to just tap on the task and I am going to be taken to another interface that is going to give me the task detail. And as you can see on the screen right now, this is the link to the task right now. So once I click on this link, I'm going to be taken to the Facebook profile, and all I need to do is to follow the Facebook account, and I am going to be earning from this right now. So once I follow the Facebook account, I just need to screenshot it right now and I'm gonna put in the screenshot of the task I perform here right now. And as you can see here, it has actually put in my name right now because I've actually added my name on it. So once I put it in right now, I'm just gonna click on mark complete. So once I click on mark complete, the earning is gonna go straight forward into my pending balance. And once the task owner review this job, he's gonna send the money into my balance account. So that's how it actually works, and you can basically cancel the task if you are not interested. Okay, so another way you can earn from this platform is through referral. So come downward right now and click on referral. So once you click on referral, you are going to be taken to another interface, and as you can see on the screen right now, I have 5 referral, and from my referral earning I have 2.88 naira right now. So to actually earn from referral, what you have to do is to copy your referral link right now on the screen. So once you copy your referral link and you share it to your friends, as they earn, you are going to be earning 6% commission from it. So that is everything about referral right now. So to withdraw from this platform, all you need to do is to come over to this menu that talks about withdraw right now, and you are going to be putting in your bank info right now. So once you reach the minimum withdrawal on this platform, which is 500 naira, you are going to basically place withdrawal, and they are going to send the money straight to your bank account, which you've put down on this platform. Okay, the name of this website is called farmsuptask.com. The link to it is going to be in the description section of this video. Just click on that link and register on this platform and start earning for yourself. So that will be the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload videos like this, YouTube is going to notify you instantly. Thanks for watching. Bye for me, guys.